All right, guys. So here on the toolbox, I got the GoPro going. Actually, let me get y'all at a better angle. Oh, look at that. You see that gut? That dad bod. I got a dad bod on Father's Day, but I'm fatherless. I'm not a father. Okay, here we go. So, as you can see, super adapter. Let me grab this so y'all can see this too. Okay, so, and then we got this bad boy. This, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that right there says 955. So it's a 955 lure with a overdriven, I don't know what 7.48 is. I don't know if it's not sure if that's stock size or overdriven or not, but that's what we're about to do. So let's get this thing open and let me get this thing out the way. Oh, dang. I don't know how long I've been under there. Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Well, I don't know if y'all noticed, but something's missing. And it's right there. And I don't know if you guys are interested or wonder why I'm stuck underneath this hood and why that's not in here. If you like, share, subscribe, and especially if you comment so I can get back with you guys, man, you can find out what's going on with this project over here with her second V. See you later, guys. All right, let's get this thing open. All right, so also this is a part ATI 918854. It says for LSA 09 to 15 CTS V Cadillac and 12 to 15 ZL1 Camaro. Supercharger pulley sold separately. Open. Got the instructions, which I'm gonna instructioning. I got some more ATI stickers. We'll put that in the toolbox. All right. So this is for the AC belt, bolts, and these bolts, just in case if you buy a used one so you can get some new bolts, there is the part number, so it's ATI 950245. So that's all the bolts for the actual pulley itself, and then also it comes with the 3 bolts for the supercharger pulley, lower pulley. All right, let me put that down, put that over here. This is the actual hub. There we go. That what's all comes in that box. So one thing I just learned, Teddy, if you're watching, just know I'm sorry. We probably gonna have to take yours apart whenever we get back together. But what I've just learned is, I don't know if y'all could see that. Do y'all see that little dot that's right there? And then right here it says offset hole. Those two go together. But first, before we do that, we gotta put the AC, Jesus, I don't know why I can't talk. AC pulley on. Okay, so sorry y'all, my cousin just came. I had to look at his car real quick. It was overheating, so. But let me get a light real quick. Okay, cool, perfect. So, like I said, that's there, that's there. So obviously, this is your main pulley for your serpentine. That one goes up top. This one also, you see right here, it says engine side. So obviously, it's gonna go like that. So with this hub, it's gonna go just like that, which we're gonna have to get these long bolts for, but let's do this first. So that's there. And we're gonna press, because you see the indentation here. So we got to get that one. So this is the factory one. See how much closer it is than that last on the actual new one? Okay, it went down some more. All right, let's see. Give me a sec. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. This hole, that hole, we're gonna press down. And that is flat now. So now we're gonna put the small ones. Oh, that's my fault, went into the wrong hole. Heard that before. All right. All right, so now we just need to torque these down to 16 foot-pounds. So let's turn the wrench on. I don't think it goes to 16. Oh, it does. Oh, okay, well, 16 foot-pounds. Okay, so I got them torqued down. So what I ended up doing was I put a towel underneath the hub, put the towel around the hub, and then over here I got my vise, so I put it in the vise. So now since we got these bad boys torqued down, we're gonna flip this upside down, and now we're gonna put the AC belt, so engine side. Then we're gonna flip this back around. And let me double check. Okay. So these that hold the dampener to the hub already had Loctite already on them. So you don't have to put Loctite on them unless they don't come with it. So, but these, as you can see, don't have Loctite. So we're gonna put blue Loctite on it. Let's put it through the tapered area. Let's find the correct holes. And let's make this work. So, tell you what. I'm pretty sure it's this one because they're the smaller holes. Yep. So let's get it to fit. Slap it together, and this should be it. Okay, cool. They're grabbing. So we'll just undo that one in just a sec. So let's do this. Get it to hold itself up. We're gonna knock that one down. All right, about to go torque these real quick. But some people will just go ahead and get it on there and it fits flush. It's like you will know if it's off, because literally it just like, if you put it wrong, you see how it just snapped down in there? And then you'll put your washers that it comes with. Let me make sure it's not like tapered or anything on one side than the other. Don't really look like it, but, and then you'll just Loctite it before you put it in and torque it down to 28 foot-pounds. And it also, like it says make sure you do put your Loctite on there. So, I mean, really, that's about it. I'll tell you what, let's do this real quick. All right, so there's that. And here's the old one. They're perfect too. So if you look here, they're the same height as the factory one. And you'll see the position for the AC belt is in the same spot. So yeah guys, that's it. All right guys, that's the video. Holla at y'all.